Hello and welcome to another update video on Natgas. Here on the Natgas chart, the movement to the upside from the April low has taken a very complex corrective shape. I'm labeling this as a WXY structure. That is at least one scenario, WXY in wave B. This is the scenario we, I believe, talked about in previous updates. I don't cover Natgas too regularly, but we do have from the 2024 low a 5-wave move to the upside already completed in this scenario. So it's entirely possible to, to say this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is a third wave. That was the top into the January high. This might have been a 4th wave in the white scenario and the 5th wave to the upside. That gives us 5 waves into the March 2025 high. Then we had a 3-wave move down, which in the white count could be an A wave, 3 waves up in the B wave, and as long as this June high now holds, the market could have started wave C to the downside. I've already added the ideal target to the chart then, which is the 100% Fibonacci extension. So if really wave B topped, circle wave B in our white scenario there, then circle wave C should go and reach the 100% Fibonacci extension maybe over the coming weeks or months. Why is that level important? Because the 100% extension down there at $2.41, marked by the blue line, the Fibonacci line, well, it's important because normally C waves get to that level. Maybe not exactly, but market might gravitate towards that level. That is only valid, though, as long as the market holds below $4.15. And we might test or challenge that level early next week. So that's why I make this video today, because we're at a key level now. But it's possible that we are following through here to the downside. In that case, this would be a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and we should move down like this. But overall, we're looking for higher prices. This is just a short-term downtrend in an overall uptrend because we can already identify 5 waves up. Now, another more directly bullish scenario is the yellow scenario, in which we are moving up in wave 5, and the dip that happened here into the April low, the 3-wave pullback, which is clearly corrective in nature, which means it keeps the door open for higher, either directly or after a more complex wave 2. This dip was only a wave 4 in the yellow scenario, and we're moving up in wave 5 now, A, B, C. In this case, to make this more probable, we need to see a break above this June high next. First of all, a break above initial resistance, which I've added to the chart as well. It's between $3.65 and $3.96. So any break above that resistance area will already indicate that the bulls are trying to make a comeback here, or just continue the uptrend that started already in April. And then a break above the June high would further add some weight to the idea that we get further upside extensions more directly. I kind of like the idea of the yellow scenario because the move here gives us better proportions. If this, first of all, we are technically still in a price channel, okay? And that means we could technically still be in the yellow count, just higher prices. Currently, the center line here acts as a little bit of resistance. It's currently coming in at around $4.38. But we're still holding the lower channel boundary line. So I like the idea of the yellow scenario. Maybe even slightly preferred, okay? So that means if we start to see further upside and a break above these resistances I mentioned, the next pivot, you could say the next target area there to the upside for yellow wave C of A is located again around the 100% extension. So $4.89 would be the next ideal target then. So it's basically, you could say the $3.96 level is first key resistance, 78.6 retracement there, because a break above will make the white count already less likely. So that means above $3.96, the probabilities will shift more clearly towards a more direct breakout to the upside, and maybe and that we're still in circle wave 5 in yellow, which I would say is even slightly preferred. That should give you all the key levels for next week and also the key scenarios. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in updates on gold, silver, platinum, the S&P, the Nasdaq, check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Have a great start to the week. Bye-bye.